In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Ghibli-inspired animated video in the Meta AI app. To get started, open the Meta AI app on your mobile device and begin a new chat. This is where you'll enter the idea for the video you want the AI to generate. Once the chat is open, tap the prompt box and start describing the video you want to create. The most important part here is being clear and descriptive. In your prompt, make sure you specify that you want a Ghibli-inspired animated style, along with detailed backgrounds, soft colors, whimsical scenery, and a magical atmosphere. These visual cues help guide the AI toward the look and mood you're aiming for. For example, you could type something like, create a Ghibli-inspired animated video of a girl walking through a peaceful countryside filled with flowers, gentle wind, warm sunlight, and cinematic camera movements. This kind of prompt works well because it gives the AI a subject, a setting, a mood, and a visual style all at once. From there, you can make the result even more unique by adding extra details about the characters, the environment, the weather, the lighting, and the actions taking place in the scene. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the AI to understand your creative vision. Small details can make a big difference in how polished and personalized the final video feels. Once your prompt is ready, send it and wait for Meta AI to generate the video. After it finishes, take a moment to review the result carefully. Look at whether the art style matches what you had in mind, and pay attention to the animation, the atmosphere, and the overall scene composition. If the result isn't quite there yet, don't worry. Go back and edit your prompt by adding more visual direction. You can include phrases like hand-painted animation, dreamy landscapes, fantasy elements, cozy village scenes, or vibrant nature backgrounds. These kinds of additions can help push the output closer to the exact aesthetic you want. Then generate the video again using the updated prompt. Keep refining and adjusting your wording until the result matches the look you're aiming for. This process is normal, and prompt refinement is often the key to getting better creative results. Once you're happy with the final video, use the save or share options available in the Meta AI app to keep your creation or send it wherever you'd like. And that's how to create a Ghibli-inspired animated video using Meta AI.